Mama, 이거 있었다. Mama, Mama, 이거 홀라라 있었다.
Hey guys, welcome to the Chow house, or welcome if you're new here. Today we'll be making a Taiwanese style popcorn chicken in the air fryer. This is a slightly updated recipe from our previous video where we compared the deep fried and air fryer versions, but we just wanted to focus on the air fryer for this video because we just love that air fried life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Asian style air fryer recipes, but other than that, let's get started. First thing we gotta do is prep some chicken thighs. Chicken breasts work too, but if you want that juicy chicken, you gotta go for those chicken thighs. Trim off the excess fat, take off the skin, and if you're dealing with the bone like I am here, the method I usually use to remove it is to use the tip of my knife to run it along the bone while at the same time pulling the meat away. I'll do this on both sides until I can just get my fingers in there to fully separate the bone, then I'll use my knife to cut the rest of it out. Then just cut the thighs into bite-sized chunks and then set them aside. Next thing we're gonna do is make the marinade. I like to blend all of my marinade ingredients together, but optionally if you don't have a blender, you can just mince them or use a grater for some of the ingredients. First thing will be a half of a medium yellow, white, or sweet onion, a few cloves of garlic, a couple thumbs of ginger, half teaspoon of 5-spice, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of light or regular soy sauce, splash of shaoxing rice wine, and some water to help things blend smoothly. And I almost forgot, a few dashes of white pepper. Just blend up everything until they're smooth and then it'll be ready to add to the chicken. Slow motion pour your marinade onto your chicken, then give it a nice massage to coat all the pieces. Put it in the fridge to mingle for at least an hour, recommended, or overnight.
Mamá, ¿te esperemos? Okay.
As you can see here, our little sous chef is here helping out with the seasoning mix. This will be tossed with the chicken after it's done frying. It's just 2 parts salt, 1 part Chinese 5-spice, 1 part white pepper, a half part sugar, and some optional chili powder if you like it spicy. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful at all, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Click that notification bell for more weekly cooking videos, and we really appreciate you guys for watching.
Mama, 이거 있었다. Mama, Mama, 이거 홀라라 있었다.
After the chicken is done hanging out in the marinade, we'll be using a large bowl to coat the chicken pieces with sweet potato starch. Potato starch can work too, but I think the key here is looking for that clumpy texture. It'll get nice and crispy in the air fryer. Slow motion show clumpy texture for all you ASMR fans. Next thing is to drip off some of the excess marinade from the chicken and then toss it with the starch. Put these in the air fryer immediately after breading, unless you want to deal with a sticky, clumpy mess. As always, try to leave a bit of space between the chicken pieces for better airflow. I set my air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, non-preheated, and and let it cook for about 15 minutes. About halfway into the air frying, so about 7 minutes in, we're going to shake the chicken around and spray oil on any of the dry starch spots that we see. While the chicken finishes cooking, we can take this time to pick some Thai basil. Thai basil is like the same type of stuff that's served alongside with your pho at Vietnamese restaurants. Some characteristics of Thai basil are the purple stems, the deep purple buds as you can kind of see here, the shiny green, slightly serrated, narrow leaves with a sweet anise-like scent and hints of licorice. See that pile of leaves there to my right that I haven't touched yet? Yeah, that's the wrong stuff. Don't make the same mistake that I made. The stuff in the bowl though, that's the right stuff. When the chicken is done cooking around the 15-minute mark, I like to finish it off by tossing it in a wok over low heat with the basil and the seasoning. We're just trying to use the heat to wilt the basil a bit and evenly coat the chicken with these seasonings. Another method you can do is put the basil in the air fryer with the chicken during the last minute or two of the cooking, and then add the seasoning on after that. I haven't tried that method before, but I don't see why it wouldn't work. Let me know in the comments if that method worked out well for you. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate the support from likes and comments on the video. Stay tuned and subscribe for more Taiwanese favorites and other cooking related stuff uploaded weekly. We'll see you guys next time.